Hello guys, hello people, hello Africa, hello Cameroon. Today I'm just going to do a very quick video on how to download ACF in 2026. ACF is Attestation de conformité fiscale. I know a lot of you have been trying to download this document and probably don't know how to do it, okay? So I'm going to break that down in this video today. So keep following. If you're new here, guys, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and join the community. Now, the first thing that you need to know is that before you access the new Harmony or the Harmony 2 platform, you need to synchronize your password and your database. And so many people don't know how to do this, okay? So this is the link here, https://sdc.harmony2.cm. Of course, this en means English. If it was French, you have fr. So just put what you see here, okay, and you are going to be able to synchronize your password. So if you don't synchronize your password to the new platform, you won't be able to do this, okay? I'm going to show you that in a bit, so but just keep following, okay? Now this other one here, this other link is to manage your password. Like if you go to sso.harmony2.cm, you should be able to change your password, change your company name, and then your email. That's where you actually manage your password. And then right now, this one here is the new Harmony system. The link is fanr.harmony2.cm. Of course, as I said again, /English. But if you just put fanr.harmony2.cm, you should be able to log into the new Harmony system and download your documents. A lot of people are still going to the old system to download their documents, but the old system, you can't be able to download things on the old system again. So let me just show you how the old system looks like. This is how your old system looks like, the Harmony system, right? I'm sure a lot of you are already very familiar with this. So if you go here, you can put in your username and your password. Username is your NIU and your password, and you should be able to log in into the system. It's asking me to change my mode pass, but I won't do that right now. But there is a new system, which is this one. As I said, that's the fanr.harmony2.cm. It looks like this. You just need to put your NIU as your login username and then your password, and then you have to enter the code, the reCAPTCHA code 2035, and then you just click access my account. So of course you can change the language if you are French. And you see this system looks like this. It's kind of like different a little. You have a PIT declaration, a personal income tax declaration, payments, fiscal documents, beneficiary ownership, and info synchronization. And this new platform actually gives you the number of days left to declaration. As you say, declaration is done on the 15th, and then you have got 19 days and 57 minutes left to my declaration. So it starts counting down. And of course, right down here, we're in the month of May. And if I want to download any document, I just need to go to fiscal documents. I'll just click on fiscal documents, and a whole lot comes here. As you can see, this gives you a situation, declaration per fiscal year 2000, you have not done it, and so on and so forth. So state of NIU means my NIU is good. So my current status of tax levies, I haven't got anything down there. So I'm not owing any taxes. I'm not owing any taxes here, as you can see. Now, declaration of IGS 2025, I've not yet done that one, and so on and so forth. So you see everything from here. Tax board levies, tax levies, you see it here, consume levy, you see here, and so on and so forth. But now remember, this video was to actually download your ACF, okay? So when you want to download your ACF, you just need to come to tax documents, you click here, and then you click on get a document right here, okay? And then this page comes up. All you just need to do is click on tax compliance certificate. It's Attestation de conformité fiscale. Click on it, and then they'll ask you, please select the motive. What motive? What do you want to do? Is it for resident card, application for a passport, application for a title? You actually select what you want to do. Now, I just want to select, synthetic general tax. That's what I've decided to select, and then you just click on next. Okay, and then next, it makes this payment system makes it very easy, where you just need to put in, select how you want to make your payments. Is it through MTN? I just need to select MTN and put in my number. Okay, and then of course the tax fee, like the digital tax fee, is 1,000 francs to do this, and then you just confirm payment. Okay, and this is going to send the information to your mobile money, where you will now need to actually approve the payment. Okay, so it's still turning. It's going to send the information to my mobile money, and I am going to do the payment. While this is still processing, guys, I want to take this opportunity to introduce to you Solidified accounting. Guys, if you are in Cameroon, if you are in any OHADA member state, this ERP is what you should be using right now. It makes things so simple for you because it's an ERP that has been built on the OHADA, the CISC OHADA accounting system. I'm just going to log in here to show you a log and feel how this looks like. Okay, the internet is having some issues, but real quick, this is how you log in, and this is what you get. Okay, this is like kind of like my dashboard, and everything is right here. Like quick start guide is right here. As you can see, you complete entity profile, you can review chart of accounts, set opening balances. I've not done so for my company. And you can add bank and cash details, add your first customers, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to close that, and I'm just going to show you quickly around. This is the dashboard, as you can see here. And then if you go to quick start, you can, let me just add a customer so that I show you how that looks. It's pretty straightforward and simple. With Solidified accounting, everything is done on the Cisco HADA's accounting system. And these are all my customers in my company. You can add a customer or beneficiary. In this case, this was I've activated the NGO module. So a lot is going on here. If you don't have a system, please contact me. I'm going to do a presentation for you, and you should be able to come on board with the Solidified accounting. So let's go back and check if the processing was done. As you can see, waiting for confirmation of Momo. So it has sent it already, and I'll have to, below is a payment reference number. You see payment status in progress. So let me refresh this. An error occurred with payment. Below is a payment. This also happens. I intentionally decided to allow this happen so that you guys can see what happens if you don't validate the payment on time. Okay.